This is not a software update. We often talk about artificial intelligence as if we're waiting for a download bar to finish. We treat it like a feature upgrade, better automation, smarter apps, a faster way to write an email. But that framing is wrong. It misses the sheer physics of what's happening. At the 2026 World Economic Forum in Davos, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang put it bluntly. This isn't a new app. This is a platform shift on the scale of the personal computer, the internet, and the mobile cloud. But there is a massive difference this time. Those previous shifts happened in stages. This is a simultaneous industrialization. To understand why this is moving so fast, you have to stop looking at the chatbot on your screen and start looking at the stack. Huang describes AI as a 5-layer cake. At the very bottom, layer 1 is energy. AI reasons in real time, and real-time reasoning is hungry for power. Above that are the chips, the specialized processors. Then comes the cloud infrastructure, or what are now being called AI factories. Only after those 3 layers do we even get to the AI models and the applications we use. In the past, these layers evolved one by one. Hardware matured, then software followed. Today, they are all scaling at the same time. It's a feedback loop. Better models drive a demand for more compute. More compute justifies bigger factories. Bigger factories enable even better models. This is the largest infrastructure build-out in human history. It isn't hype. It's steel, silicon, and power. And once this infrastructure is built, it locks in a competitive advantage that lasts for decades. This brings us to a critical question. What does this mean for a nation? We spend a lot of time worrying if AI will replace jobs. But Huang makes a vital distinction here. AI replaces tasks, not purposes. When you automate a task, the human role actually expands into judgment, coordination, and accountability. For a developing nation, AI cannot be a luxury. It's foundational infrastructure, just like roads or electricity. We don't debate if we need roads. We debate how well they're built and who owns them. This is where the concept of national AI comes in. It's not about nationalism, it's about capacity. It's the ability to deploy systems that actually understand local languages and local contexts. Language and culture aren't just flavor. They are national resources. If a country doesn't build AI that reflects its own intellectual traditions, it will live inside systems trained on someone else's priorities, quietly outsourcing interpretation, relevance, and authority. National intelligence means a society can encode, preserve, and apply its own knowledge. Now let's look at the Philippines, and this is the uncomfortable part. You cannot build national intelligence on imported tools alone. You need local research capacity. You need people who generate knowledge, not just consume it. On this front, we are structurally vulnerable. According to UNESCO data, the Philippines has only around 170 researchers per million people. To put that in perspective, the global benchmark for an industrial takeoff is about 380 per million. We aren't even at the halfway mark. problem isn't a lack of talent, it's the structure. Our universities are teaching universities by design. Faculty are buried under heavy instructional loads. Research funding is thin. Protected research time is almost non-existent. This matters because AI doesn't replace research, it amplifies it. Think about a future classroom. A student is talking to an AI version of Jose Rizal. That system will exist. But the question is, whose Rizal will it be? Will it be a Rizal shaped by Philippine scholarship and linguistic nuance? Or will it be a version shaped by external assumptions and foreign datasets because we didn't have the researchers to build our own? Add to this our electricity costs, some of the highest in Southeast Asia, and you see the trap. We are facing a structural deficit in the very base layers of the AI stack. The UN is already moving to create global governance frameworks because the speed of AI is outstripping our institutions. The lesson for the Philippines is that infrastructure eras do not wait for late adopters, they reward the builders. As Jensen Huang warned at Davos, this is not a slow-moving transformation. The real risk isn't that AI will change too much, it's that it will change faster than our capacity to shape it. National intelligence isn't a slogan for the future. It is a requirement of the present. This is AnthroIntelligence, Culture, Cognition, and Code. I'm Richard Jonathan O. Taduran. Stay curious and stay human.